If you are still spending countless hours coordinating video shoots, paying expensive creators, or wrestling with a camera just to get social traction, then you are definitely missing the simplest content scaling hack available in 2026. Quietly, smart people are already turning their long podcasts, detailed webinars, and full-length videos into non-stop performing reels, TikToks, and shorts that dominate the feed. The secret behind this explosion of content isn't hiring a massive battalion of expensive video editors, it's something much smarter. And the absolute best part of this new workflow is how much easier and faster your entire content creation process becomes going forward. Right now, a select few creators who crack this workflow code are essentially printing out endless short-form content while they are literally sound asleep at night. I vividly remember when I first stumbled across this exact workflow, immediately wasting significant money on flashy editing tools that promised viral results but just left me with folders of clips that went absolutely nowhere. Everything fundamentally changed for the better the moment I finally found and implemented the power of Vizard into my system. So today, I want to personally walk you through the entire journey, taking you from having zero knowledge about automated video editing to running a full-scale, high-output content engine right now. We are going to learn how to turn just one long video into dozens of perfectly ready-to-post clips, set them to automatically publish, and manage your entire posting calendar effortlessly. The best part of this is that you can achieve all of this without ever needing to hire a single, dedicated editor or learn any complicated, confusing software interface. Now you might naturally be wondering, what exactly is Vizard at its core function? At its highest level, Vizard is an incredibly smart AI tool that automatically scans your long videos to find all the very best moments and converts them into short, shareable clips optimized for every specific platform. However, that description is really only scratching the surface of what this platform is actually capable of achieving for you. The truly magical element is how it flawlessly stitches together content discovery, precise editing, automatic scheduling, and final publishing into one seamless flow for ultimate scale. Just take a moment and think about this. How many creators and small brands are still filming hours of footage only to upload that single massive file to YouTube and stop? Now vividly imagine instead that each of those long videos instantly spawns 20 to 50 short, highly attention-grabbing clips that reliably drive new views, followers, and website traffic. That right there is the exact content distribution model that Vizard completely unlocks for you today. So, I want to show you exactly how this all looks in practical, real-world use, using a few concrete examples so you can fully picture the application to your specific projects. There are already so many brands and creators out there doing absolutely insane things with this new method right now. For instance, a niche fitness podcast turned every single episode into micro-workout clips that completely blew up on Instagram, directly driving affiliate sales for the trainers involved. We saw one SaaS founder expertly use short clips pulled from long webinars to run hyper-targeted ads, successfully doubling their crucial demo signups overnight. Another amazing example involves a teacher who brilliantly repurposed an entire lecture series into bite-sized study tips that quickly went viral across TikTok. Now compare all of that success to the painfully slow and expensive old way, hiring a videographer, shipping physical product samples, scheduling a shoot, waiting 2 weeks for edits, and just hoping the editor found the best seconds. Fundamentally, that old method is agonizingly slow and extremely expensive for modern content needs. With Vizard, the process is inverted. You simply upload the long video, the AI immediately finds moments with high engagement potential, crops them into the right format, auto-adds captions, and hands you a review queue, often within mere minutes. So, let me walk you through the precise step-by-step process I personally use when I need to turn one single long video into an entire week's worth of high-performing content. The very first step is to upload your source material, which can be any podcast episode, webinar recording, or product demo you currently have on hand. You just drop in that long file, and Vizard immediately gets to work expertly parsing all of the audio and visual information inside of it. The next crucial step is letting the tool perform its magic for automated editing, specifically targeting those viral clips you are looking for. This sophisticated tool analyzes the audio nuances, visual cues, and speech patterns to accurately detect those high-impact moments you want to capture. Think of strong opening hooks, big audible reactions, surprising facts, or any of those key emotional beats that grab attention instantly. Those expertly isolated snippets get instantly turned into perfectly sized short clips optimized for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You can then preview dozens of high-quality options, and the AI will even intelligently rank them based on predicted performance metrics. Stage 3 is where you handle the quick personal tweaks and apply any final polish needed for your brand. Importantly, you never have to start the editing process completely from scratch with Vizard. You can easily swap out the default thumbnail, change the very first second hook, trim a specific frame, or apply a pre-saved template that perfectly matches your brand, all in just a few clicks. Vizard also automatically integrates closed captions into every clip and provides numerous options to stylize that text so it reads perfectly well on any mobile device. Then we move on to step 4, which is utilizing the incredibly powerful auto schedule feature for total automation. Honestly, this specific scheduling part is what truly changed my personal content workflow forever. You simply define your ideal posting frequency, select optimal time windows for your audience, and then you let the platform expertly roll those clips out for you automatically. Instead of constantly babysitting uploads every single day, you now create the entire content batch in one afternoon, set the precise schedule, and the AI handles all the posting based on your preferred cadence. Finally, we arrive at step 5, the centralized content calendar and management view for oversight. Everything you create lands neatly organized in this single calendar view, showing scheduled posts, waiting drafts, and current performance data altogether. From this dashboard, you have the power to reschedule posts, swap out creatives, or pause entire campaigns instantly when needed. It keeps everything incredibly clean, saves you so much unnecessary mental energy, and houses your entire month of content in one easily accessible place. Now, let's shift focus and talk about the specific types of creators and businesses that extract the absolute maximum value from this powerful system. If you operate an e-commerce store, just imagine turning a single product demonstration video into multiple distinct marketing tactics across platforms. Picture quick feature clips specifically for TikTok, detailed testimonial compilations for Instagram Reels, and short product explainer videos for YouTube Shorts. App owners can easily clip demo videos to create targeted messaging for different user personas or generate dozens of short ads to rapidly test performance across the board. For affiliate marketers, the instruction is simple. Flood the platforms with short clips of trending items right before they peak in popularity. Teachers and specialized coaches can efficiently turn one in-depth lesson into dozens of micro tips that continuously drive new client signups. Truly, the potential use cases for this powerful automation are practically endless across every single industry. I can offer a quick personal anecdote. I was recently helping an indie founder who runs a very popular productivity-focused YouTube channel. He used to spend an entire day filming, followed by a full week in post-production editing just one single podcast episode for release. But by using Vizard, that exact same episode was successfully converted into 25 unique high-impact clips in just one busy afternoon, causing his channel growth to double the very next month. This phenomenal growth happened because the algorithm finally had much more fresh, relevant content to feed to his waiting audience pool. Let's be completely honest for a moment about the competition in this space and look at other tools available. Some platforms falsely claim similar automation features but cruelly lock the most essential functions behind prohibitively steep pricing tiers, or they only do one thing well, forcing you to stitch multiple services together. Other services might give you the raw video clips you need, but they fail to provide captions, templates, or a useful content calendar, leaving you stuck doing all the repetitive manual work yourself. That approach is inherently slow, still expensive, and ultimately causes massive creative frustration. Vizard's actual competitive edge is not simply its ability to clip videos into smaller segments. Its true power comes from delivering the entire content loop. Smart clip selection, superb auto captioning, effortless styling options, a genuine scheduler, and a centralized calendar that ties everything together. And when you compare the actual monetary costs, paying a handful of human editors or outsourcing every single short video is significantly more expensive than investing in a tool that automates this entire process. Ultimately, you are not just saving money with this system. You are intelligently buying back massive amounts of speed and ensuring crucial posting consistency. Alright, let's get into some practical tips so you can personally start seeing tangible results as quickly as possible. My first tip is to batch all your recording work into one single day per week, then upload it all at once. You should spend just one focused afternoon fine-tuning those clips and setting the entire schedule for the coming 7 days. The next key tip is to actively test different formats using the tool's easy creation of multiple versions of the same clip. Remember to always use that capability to A/B test which specific thumbnails and intros are truly stopping the audience's scroll on their phones. My third piece of advice is to always keep the final output feeling natural because short-form content still performs best when it feels authentic. Make sure you use these AI-generated clips as organic moments rather than overly polished, obvious advertisements to your audience. This specific tool helps you effortlessly maintain that casual, user-generated content vibe with high-quality automatic captions and very quick trimming capabilities. You must remember to repurpose your content effectively across all the different platforms where your audience resides online. Do not simply post the exact same 9:16 vertical clip everywhere without any modification to suit the network. Take advantage of the platform-specific export options and tailor the thumbnails and accompanying text for each unique social network you use. Vizard actively assists you with this entire process, meaning you are never forced to duplicate tedious work across different sites. My final practical tip is to leverage the content calendar for better campaign management leading up to major events. If you are launching a new product or a high-value course, schedule a consistent drip of specific clips leading up to that launch day, and watch the traction compound exponentially if you genuinely want to see even more convincing proof of concept. I will now show you a very short walkthrough of a typical session I follow today. For example, I recently uploaded a full 60-minute webinar I personally gave on advanced growth marketing strategies to the platform. Within just a few short minutes, Vizard instantly surfaced 40 different potential clips, 5 strong opening hooks, 10 key insight snippets, and a few very short demonstration clips. I quickly previewed all of them, changed a single hook on 2 clips, applied my consistent brand caption style, and queued them all to post automatically every other day across my channels. Just 1 week later, I checked the calendar again, saw that the top performing clips were immediately easy to spot, and swapped in several new variations for testing. In the meantime, new qualified leads coming from the original webinar clips increased demo signups significantly without me ever having to touch another video file. So, whether you are a dedicated creator aiming to scale without total burnout, a brand that desperately needs consistent ad creatives, or a small team that simply cannot afford a full-time editor, Vizard empowers you to efficiently perform the work of an entire content studio in just a tiny fraction of the time and cost required. This revolutionary approach is not about replacing your own creativity. It is about strategically amplifying what you have already created. It's about getting significantly more mileage out of every single recording you make and keeping your feeds full with content that actually drives conversions. If you are serious about rapidly scaling your overall content output this year, I strongly encourage you to try batching just one long video today. Simply upload it, let Vizard intelligently pick the absolute best moments, schedule the posts, and watch closely how your engagement and reach figures start to compound together. This workflow is truly the simplest, most powerful lever I have ever personally found to multiply your content output and keep your pipeline consistently full. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this deep dive, and now go make something you would genuinely want to watch. Let the AI do the hard grunt work and enjoy the amazing results.